Guys, well, it's here from myislandjamaica.com. Welcome back to my special Q&A series on YouTube. Today I'm answering the question, what are the popular foods to eat in Jamaica? Alright, so that question came in from Riley Bones from Eugene, Oregon in the USA. And I am assuming Riley's considering or is actually coming to Jamaica to vacation and wants to get a real feel of the Jamaican flavor. And so I'm going to share about 27 items or so between main dishes, fruits, desserts and so on that I believe will give Riley a good taste of the Jamaican experience. Alright, so but just a little background though, you might or might not know that Jamaica is what we call a melting pot of cultures. We have representation from almost every corner of the globe here. The Europeans, the British and Spanish in particular, have heavy influence here. Africans, heavy influence here. Chinese and Indians, Syrians, heavy influence here. So we consider ourselves a melting pot of cultures, and all of those come together to create the Jamaican experience. And it's reflected in our food. So many of our foods reflect that mixture as well. Some of our best foods. Alright, so I'm going to share starting with what I consider the main foods, and then I go down to dessert, juices and fruits. Alright, so the first one on the list, which is our national dish, is ackee and saltfish. Make sure you have that, Riley. Jerk chicken, another signature product of Jamaica. Fried fish and bami, number 3. Curried goat, number 4. Mackerel rondong, and notice I said rondong, not rundown. That's the name of it. Steamed fish and okra, make sure you get that when you get here. Fried festival, this is something like a fried dumpling really, but it has a special Jamaican flavor, and we call it festival. Alright, make sure you have that. Roast bread fruit, and we have it with multiplicity of stuff. We have it with ackee and saltfish as well, really good. Roast yam, especially the roadside roast yam, one of my favorites. Make sure you ask for that when you get here. Chicken foot soup, a popular in Jamaica here, especially on weekends. Make sure you ask for that. And finally under that is manish water. This is aka goat belly soup. This is not for the faint heart, but it's really good as well. Alright, so ask for those. Now in terms of desserts, I'm going to recommend banana fritters, blue jaws, peppered shrimp, especially those from on the south coast side of the island, middle quarters area. Make sure you get that. Bun and cheese, especially if it's Easter. And Jamaican patty, of course, Jamaican patty, yes. And sweet potato pudding. Alright, make sure you have those. Make sure you ask for those when you get here. By the way, I've actually answered this question on my website in detail, and I've placed a link in the description below, so make sure you check that link to get the full explanation, full detail of my response. In terms of drink, juices and teas, of course, Blue Mountain coffee, right? Signature Jamaican product. Make sure you ask for that. Old time Jamaican ginger beer. Make sure you ask for that. Sorrel, especially if it's December time. Make sure you ask for that. Soursop juice, and I'm gonna say carrot juice as well. Get the Jamaican soursop juice. Ask for that. Ask for the carrot juice. All right, especially the one with the condensed milk. Ask for hot Jamaican chocolate, traditional Jamaican chocolate, not the bag, the commercial one. The traditional Jamaican chocolate. You're gonna love it. Ask for that too. All right, and of course, another signature item is Jamaican rum cream. Make sure you ask for that. Okay. And of course, I'm gonna just some fruits I think you'll like as well. Some of my favorites: June plum, guineps, mangoes, all varieties, and nesberry. All right, so those are some of the popular foods I say you should have when you come to Jamaica. Thank you for asking. Again, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that way you stay updated on all my latest videos. And if this is useful to you, make sure you give it a like and share it with someone. Thank you so much for watching.